In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix this cord connecting problem on mobile. If you're unable to log in or if you're having issue with a connection problem in this cord, then what you can do is, first of all, you could go ahead and check your internet connection. So basically, you could go to settings, and here you could go ahead and tap on network and internet, and then you could go ahead and check whether you're connected to an internet service or not. And likewise, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi and you're still having problem, then you can switch over to mobile data, and that should be able to fix it. Or else you could go ahead and turn off your router for 20 seconds and restart it again, and that should also be able to fix it. If that's not the case, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, go ahead and long press on your Discord application, go to app info page, and from here go to storage and cache. And over here, go ahead and tap on clear cache as well as clear storage. This is going to delete all of your cache and refresh your application, and that should be able to fix it. If that's also not working out, then you can also try updating your app. If you haven't updated your app for a while, then you could go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Discord and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date and you're still having problem, then you can try uninstalling the app and at the same time restart your device, and that should be able to fix your issue. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then you can try checking the server. Sometimes the issue might be from the application itself, and then state about the issue with the customer service team, and they'll look into your matter. So these are some of the ways to fix your Discord connecting problem on mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.